Credit Karma is not a credit monitoring site. They are a marketing site. They market Vantage scores to refer products to you. Credit Karma is a user-friendly website that offers free Vantage score from TransUnion and Equifax. But Credit Karma does not provide FICO scores or Experian report score. Credit Karma makes money by selling advertising and allowing consumers to use its free service. Credit Karma does a great job of helping consumers learn about what impacts their credit score as well. What helps Credit Karma keep its free service is countless advertisements that consumers can sign up for. So, how accurate can a free monitoring service like Credit Karma can really be? Let's take a look under the hood. The scores are not perfect, and sometimes they can truly be way off, so do not rely on Credit Karma. When you apply for a loan, you might find the credit numbers are different from our Credit Karma reports. The score should be somewhat close.